Namaste everyone, welcome to Live for Loving Nature. Today I am going to share 3 methods of composting. First one is marinating process. In this process I take plastic containers with the closed lids and fill all the kitchen waste in that. Marinate them in rice washed water or sometimes I get some vegetable cooked water like potatoes or something, and if I don't get anything I use normal water to marinate the vegetable waste. This marinating process helps to break the materials faster. This rice washed water contains nice amount of nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus and starches which helps to break the material faster. Once the container is filled, I keep it for 3 to 5 days according to the season. In summer I keep only 3 days, but in winter I keep it for 5 days. After 3 to 5 days, I will separate the water from the container and will dilute it. Then I will give it to all plants. In winter times, I pour this water on the ground to enrich soil quality. Sometimes the water is sticky or some different consistency, but I used all the organic matter in this, so nothing to worry about the stickiness or some color difference. In these composting methods, I use only the vegetable peels and fruit peels. I don't use any cooked material or any dairy products in this, so it is completely safe for the plants. Now take an empty container with the holes at the bottom. Fill 3 to 5 inch thick layer of any garden soil and then fill half the container with the fermented kitchen waste and again fill 1 inch layer of soil and repeat the process. On top of it, fill 3 to 5 inch thick layer of garden soil and press it down. This process helps to contact the soil with the organic matter and breaks the material faster. I generally start this process in the end of autumn so that soil will be ready for the spring season. After 2 months, soil sinks in. That means organic matter started to break down. So at this stage, you can fill a little more soil, like 3 to 5 inch thick layer of soil on top of it, and sow the seeds for coming season. So I have done this process in my last video and I got 100% result. It is completely safe. You don't need to worry about. Here you can see the earthworms. These big red earthworms help to break the material faster. After 4 months, 80% of organic matter is decomposed nicely. After 5 months, it is ready. The soil temperature is comes to normal, and the smell of the soil also changed. Now I can feel the nice pleasant smell from the soil. Still, there are some hard particles left. At this stage, I prefer to sieve it and use it for all plants. At the saving process, I have seen lots of earthworms. Unfortunately, I did not cover in this video. So I have seen personally earthworms in this soil. Whenever we add organic matter, we see earthworms. So don't be scared. My kids helped me to separate all earthworms from the soil. They took it and added to my big compost bin. This process took 5 months time to make the compost because I started this process in winter. If we do this process in spring or summer months, then it takes only 2 to 3 months. Second method is Bokashi composting. It is a Japanese technology. I ordered Bokashi bin with effective microorganism liquid to speed up the composting process. Let me show how much time I took to make compost with this Bokashi bin. Inside the bin we have separate section in the bottom with the holes plate which helps to separate the liquid from the organic matter. Outside the container at the bottom we have a tap to collect the liquids. For this process I am using rock meal, wood ash and effective microorganism. Rock meal helps to avoid the bad odors from the bin, and this wood ashes helps to improve the soil quality, and effective microorganism helps to break the material faster. To start this process, first spread the rock meal, then wood ash and then organic matter, and again wood ash, rock meal and effective microorganism on top of it, and press it down to remove the air from the bin. Whenever I don't have any greens in my bin, I used to add some garden weeds in this bin to balance the nitrogen percentage. Repeat the process till the bin completely filled with organic matter. Once the bin is completely filled, then leave it for 2 weeks. Collect the liquids every day, dilute it and use it to all your plants. After 2 weeks, take the organic waste from the bin and mix it with garden soil. Now it is looking very colorful. After composting, we don't see any colors in it. Now take empty container, fill 3-inch soil at the bottom, then fill the organic waste and again fill 3-inch thick layer of soil on top of it. Now take empty container, fill 3-inch soil at the bottom, then fill the organic waste and again fill 3-inch thick layer of the soil on top of it. Then press it down to remove the air from the container. Within 2.5 months, all the organic matter gets converted into soil. Now we cannot see any colors in this soil, so everything turned into black color. This method took 2.5 months and I had started this in early spring. In this, I made all the fruit peels into small pieces to speed up the process. That is why this process took less time. Now method 3. This is very easy and simple method. Mix greens with browns with 3:1 ratio. Browns helps to speed up the process. Take a container, fill little soil at the bottom and add all the organic waste. On top of it again fill the soil and press it down to contact the organic matter with the soil. In this soil we get more amount of nitrogen, so it is very good for green leafy vegetables. This method I have shown in my early videos. I share the link in the description so that you can check it out there. Here are the results of using home compost soil.